Greetings everyone, this is me Lavishka from my Eva and today we're going to discuss about PCOS meal template and for that we have our expert nutritionist Mridula here. Warm greetings Mridula.
Thank you so much, Lavishka.
How are you?
I'm good.
Great to know. So let's start with you briefing is about what is PCOS meal template.
Right. So, PCOS meal template, in simple words, is a template to make diet simple for people. So, anyone and everyone should be able to follow a healthy kind of a diet. So, in simple words, it is a replacement for a diet template. So, in spite of telling people about what to eat in a diet, what to eat in a meal, as in I usually end up eating chapati and sabzi. Instead of putting that in the diet plan, you are supposed to eat two chapatis, one katori sabzi in your meal. We're just putting out a macros to help people better, to help them understand their diet better. Because we have participants coming from all walks of life, from all different cultures and from different parts of the country. So, and even out of the country. So, to kind of make it simple for them, to make it suit their cuisine, to not make it very specifically about one single cuisine, so that it is easier for them to follow. We've put a template in terms of macros. So carbohydrate, protein, fat, fiber, we put ratios of that according to a meal plate. And that is a graphical representation of how your plate should look. So
Alright.
that is about PCOS meal template in a brief.
Okay. So talking about meal templates and meals in general, there's a one word that comes up a lot that is non-starchy vegetables. So what are those? And also, like, should we avoid a certain kind of vegetables?
Right. So in the PCOS meal template, you'll see 50% of the plate has to be filled with non-starchy vegetables. That's the term that comes there. So
Right.
non-starchy might seem a little confusing, but all it means is all vegetables apart from, or in fact, along with potatoes, sweet potatoes, and even corn. Because if we do not end up mentioning non-starchy vegetables, most of us, we might go with the vegetables that we like the most. That can be potatoes, that can be corn. So just to avoid the confusion and just to make sure that people include all kinds of vegetables in their diet, that term is kind of introduced there. Although I would say that is there is no need to be confused just because of that term. All it means is you have to include a lot of variety of vegetables. You could call it colorful vegetables also. So just include a lot of vegetables along with your favorite ones. So potatoes, corn, there is no restriction as such, but then include a variety of vegetables in the plate is all that it means. No restrictions as such.
All right. All right. So briefing is about PCOS meal template. I guess we've been have an idea about what it is. So how this template can be useful for us?
Right. Now, whenever you are to have a meal, may it be lunch, may it be dinner, may it even be your breakfast, we can try and stick to the meal template. When you look at it, you can see the circle. It kind of is a representation of your own plate. If you consider that to be your plate, half of my plate should be filled with vegetables. That gives me a lot of fiber, that gives me a lot of essential nutrients, say vitamins, minerals, everything. And 25% is filled with carbohydrate, and the remaining 25% is filled with protein. We've also
Okay.
mentioned water, and we've also mentioned healthy fats in there. So if you
Okay.
look at it, it is a complete wholesome meal. You get all the nutrients that you want in a single meal. Now, when I talk about all of these macros, I know there can be a little confusion if I talk in terms of carbohydrate, protein, and
Yeah.
fat, or in terms of fiber. But then we also have a list of sources that we'll be giving people so that they understand nutrition better, so that they understand the PCOS meal template better.
Hmm.
But speaking in simple words, I just have to make sure that my meal plate looks like the meal template. That's all that we
Okay.
have to make sure. And I will be rest assured that my meal is a complete and wholesome meal. I'm getting all the major nutrients that I need in a meal if I follow the meal template, is what is the idea. And that is how you also can follow it. Anybody who's watching it can follow it, and they'll be rest assured of the nutrition.
Okay. So that was really informative, and I hope that this video would be really helpful for the people out there watching it. and like somehow we might have been useful for you people. So thank you for watching.